wanted to do a quick video on making bow tie inlays using these Bosch router bushings and a plywood template. Okay, so we'll start with the template. You can buy these pre-made or DIY them. For mine, I cut some 1/4 inch plywood into 3 even strips. Next, I cut the middle strip in half, giving me 2 middle strips that I then cross-cut at a 30-degree angle. Different angles will give you a different looking bow tie. Next, I take all the pieces and glue them together to give me my template. Keep in mind that when using bushings, the actual bow tie will be smaller than the template. I suggest playing around with different angles and sizes to get the look you're going for. Now onto the bushing set. I'm using a Bosch set, but there are a lot of different sets that will work. First, you'll need to attach the adapter to the router. For the bushings, I had to do some experimentation to get them to work with my router bit. I found that the 3/4 inch outer diameter bushing for the female piece worked with the 1/2 inch outer diameter bushing for the male piece. Take the bushing that you're using in one hand and use your other hand to prop the spring open on the adapter. Line the bushing up to the adapter and release the spring. Make sure it's snug. So the idea is that the bushing runs along the template, allowing you to route at an exact distance around the whole bow tie. For the female piece, you'll be routing out material, so you won't have to worry about the router wandering off the template. But with the male piece, you will want to make sure that you keep the bushing up against the template as best you can in order to get a clean bow tie edge. For my bit, I used a 1/8 inch diameter upcut bit, but a straight bit or downcut bit should also work. There's a lot of debate on which one is best for this, so if you have a preference, go with that. Keep in mind that if you go with a wider diameter bit, it'll affect your bushings. Hopefully this helps you make some beautiful bow tie inlays for your next piece. Thank you for watching.